Ow. Yo hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Shami Ramnani and today's video is gonna be about a get to know me tag. So the reason I chose to film a get to know me tag is because you are subscribing to my channel and you should be knowing a little bit about me. So yeah, today's video is gonna be about that, and my sister will be reading out the questions from the behind and I'll be answering to them. I have like 15 questions and some basic questions too. So yeah, so this is not my first video. Actually it's my first video, but I did post a channel trailer before that. You all can go watch that. The link of the channel trailer will be in the description box below. You all can go watch that and like that video too. So yeah, before any further ado, let's get into the video.
So let's start with a few basic questions about yourself. What's your full name?
Okay, so my full name is Charmi Ramnani.
What's your age?
I'm 15 years old.
Can you tell us what you study?
I'm the 2021 batch of 10, so I don't have boards this year because of the pandemic and situation. I will be going in 11th grade and my school will be starting from June.
Where do you live?
I live in Hyderabad, India.
So that were the few basic questions. Let's start to know you a little. Can you tell us where do you shop from the most?
I shop from H&M and Forever 21, but I do love street shopping too. For the people who stay in Hyderabad know there's a place called General Bazaar and obviously Charminar. There are like several places to shop from, like beside Charminar. But now because of this like pandemic situation, we don't like go in that, you know, it's crowdy over there. So I do online shopping. So it's from H&M and from Forever 21. But if it's like a cheap side, I do shop from Ajio too.
What's your favorite food?
I love biryani. I'm from Hyderabad, so yeah, obviously I love biryani.
Do you play any sport or no? If not, or if yes, what's your favorite sport?
I love cricket. I love to watch cricket, but I love playing football. I don't watch football, but I love playing football.
Something that's on your bucket list.
I love Paris. Like, I really want to visit Paris, like with family, with friends, solo trip or anything. But I really want to go visit Paris. It's like on top of my bucket list. Just anytime soon, please. But now because of whatever is happening, I don't think.
This is a basic question. When is your birthday?
My birthday is on 3rd March. I am born in 2006, which makes me 15 years old.
So like you said that you're 15 years old, you might have a lot of subscribers around that age. Would you want to tell us that who or what inspired you to start your own channel or become a YouTuber?
Like Komal Pandey, that bow girl, which is Kritika Khurana. These people inspire me so much, like so much. Before I had Instagram and all of that, I used to binge watch YouTube. I loved YouTube. I do love YouTube right now too. So I used to watch so much of YouTube. I used to take my laptop and I used to record myself filming videos. YouTube has always been my passion since I was in 5th grade, I guess. So yeah, I used to record myself. I have those videos till now. I look at them and I'm like, yeah. And now it's finally happening. I just start my own YouTube channel and I'm here filming and I'm really happy with how it's going on right now. So yeah.
Are your parents like supportive about the step you've taken?
Yes, they are very supportive about this because we are in 2021, so obviously.
What's your favorite series and also the current series that you're watching?
My favorite series is The Vampire Diaries. I love that series so much and I'm sure you all have watched it. If you haven't, please go watch it. I am legit watching that right now. The current series which I'm watching is The Vampire Diaries 2 for the 2nd time. In that, Damon Salvatore, like OMG, he is the love of my life. I simp over him so much. Yeah, he's my favorite person. He's just love.
A similar question, do you have any favorite movie that you can watch and repeat like every day, every time?
Karan Johar films like Bollywood, the OGs of Bollywood, Shah Rukh Khan and Kajol, Shah Rukh Khan and Kajol, OMG. I can watch the DDLJ and Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, Kal Ho Na Ho on repeat. Like all Bollywood movies are love. Yeah, I can watch them so many times.
What's your pet peeve?
I really hate it when people mix everything with sauce, like rice, Maggi, what not with sauce, like ketchup. I hate people mixing so many stuff with ketchup, like you. But I like ketchup with French fries. Yeah, that's the only thing I like.
Again, a very basic question. How tall are you?
I don't know how tall am I. Like I'm very short. I don't know my height. I haven't checked it. So yeah, I'm very short. Very short.
Do you have any pets or any siblings?
Yes, I do. I have a pet, a dog. His breed is Lhasa Apso. His name is Simba. And yes, I have an elder sister. Her name is Tina.
What's that one thing that you would want to change about yourself?
The one thing I want to change about myself is that I give up. I give up very soon. So that's like one thing I want to change about myself. I give up so easily. If like anything it is, I just give up. So yeah, I want to change that thing about myself.
This one's the last question in the list. Would you continue with YouTube or do you have something else to do in future that you've planned about?
So as I said, YouTube is my passion. I really love YouTube and I'm never gonna stop posting videos. So yeah, I'm always gonna be with YouTube, but in future I wanna get into interior designing. If my YouTube goes very well, then this is gonna be my full-time job because I have to give a lot of time in this. So this will be the whole thing I'll be doing, and if not, I will be also doing interior designing because I like that part, like that field. So yeah, so that's it for the video, you guys. I hope you all had fun. I just said a little stuff about me so that you'll get to know me more, and you all should actually subscribe to my channel because I'll be posting such fun content. Like I will be posting fun challenges, hauls, travel vlogs, routines like my skincare routine, makeup videos, and so much more. I will be posting every week, every Saturday. So yeah, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and do share this video as much as possible. Once again, before we end this video, do like this video and subscribe. Again, please subscribe. Bye.